we find the midpoint of 2 points on a number line? If we have 2 points on a number line, and we want to find the midpoint, we want to find the exact center between the 2 points. Here's the formula for midpoint. M is the midpoint, and x sub 1 and x sub 2 are the 2 points we're talking about. So let's take an example of 2 numbers and find their midpoint. Let's look at the numbers -4 and 8. Let's find their midpoint. First, we need to label the numbers. Let's have -4 be x sub 1 and 8 be x sub 2. Now we could pick either number to be either one of these points, and we would still get the same answer. Now let's plug them into our midpoint formula. We have our midpoint M equals x sub 1, which is -4, plus x sub 2, which is 8. And we want to divide that by 2. Now -4 plus 8 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the midpoint between these 2 points is 2. Now we can also see this graphically if we write it out on a number line. We'll label the points -4 and 8, and then draw all the units in between. Great. Now we want to start out at our 2 original points and move in 1 unit at a time. When we do this, the point that we get to at the end is our midpoint. This point right here, which is the point 2. So again, we find that 2 is the midpoint between our 2 points. Now we know how to find the midpoint of 2 points on a number line.